Hello guys, so welcome back to today's Hamster update. As you all know, Hamster have started distributing their token to different exchanges. I've testified that of Binance and also that of Bybit. So I've already dropped a video on how to check for your token in your Binance. If you connected your Binance exchange to your Hamster Combat, check my previous video and you see how to check for your token. So now I'll be teaching you guys on how to check for your Bybit exchange for those that connected with their Bybit account. I want to show you how to check for your Hamster Combat token in your Bybit exchange app. So now let's first of all go to our Hamster Combat account. So I'll be opening my Hamster Combat. So I'll click on open app and wait for it to load. Okay, now this is my Hamster Combat. So I'll be going to airdrop. So I go to airdrop, my total hamster token is 2075.004 or thereabout. But the one we should be expecting to go to our exchange is the one that they wrote available at September 26th. That's one that the digits are 1831.1912 thereabout. So this is the one that we should be expecting to come to our exchange. So now I'll be going to withdrawal. So when I click on withdrawal, this is my Bybit exchange. For those that connected their Hamster Combat with their Bybit exchange, you will see your Bybit boldly facing your withdrawal dashboard. So I will click on Bybit exchange. So when I click on it, it will take me here. So you can see this is the token that I'll be seeing in my exchange. 1831.191254.804, approximately 1831.191. So now let's go to our Bybit account to check if Hamster has given us our own Hamster token. I'm talking about those that connected their Bybit exchange to Hamster Combat. I've already dropped a video of the one for those that connected with their Binance. I've showed you guys how to confirm if your token has been sent to you. So now it's for those that connected with their Bybit. So now let's go to our Bybit app. Now I'm going to my Bybit app. Let me look for my Bybit. So here is my Bybit app. I click on it. So let me log into my Bybit account. Now this is my dashboard. So as you can see, look at the total asset that is there. So I'll be clicking on assets. Look under, you see where they wrote assets. You click on your assets, then you scroll down. So when you scroll down, your Hamster token shouldn't be in your funding. It will not be in your funding. You won't see it in your funding. Where you will see it is in your unified trading. So when you click on unified trading, it will show you your Hamster token. So here is my Hamster token, 1831.1912548. So approximately, this is not the listing price. This one that you are seeing 19.10 USD. This is just the pre-sale, pre-market sale. So Hamster Combat has not dropped any listing price for its token. So we are still waiting for them to drop it on 26th. So this is how to find your Hamster token in your Bybit account. For those that connected with their Bybit exchange, this is how to find your Hamster token in your Bybit. So this is all for today. Thank you and follow me for more updates. You can click the subscribe so you can be getting informations or videos whenever I drop them. So thank you very much. See you next time.